Hi friends, I just wanted to give you a quick little look-see at some of the cards that I made. So these are these are part of Junetober, and I'm using Emily Designs, oh gosh, what was it called? The Grimoire, the Collector's Grimoire, that's what it was called. So I made each one with a little tab so I can, my thought was I would put this inside another pocket, but I used some washi tape. So this was one of her freebies, I believe, but it was one of her printables. And can you see there's a shine on there? I printed this on vinyl sticker paper and then cut it out so that I could use it like tape, and it still was a little transparent, and so it looks more like actual cello tape. So, and then this is regular washi tape. So I front and back printed things, but I had a lot of fun doing these. And then there's this one. This one doesn't have a pocket or anything, but I love my little tab there. This one has some tickets and fun stuff in there. I used this label as a pocket. This was an offcut. This, I tore the ticket in half, and I put half on this side and half on this side. Cute, huh? And then just some fun little memorabilia stuff that was part of the kit. Part of the kit or freebies, I can't remember. And then we've got this one, and I liked that, using that hexagon number as a tab, front and back. Some more numbers, just some stuff glued on, little cluster. And then I did this beetle wings. This was the first one I did, handle with care. I put some gauze mummy cloth under here, some more of the cello tape, and then I used this label stuck out as a tab. So that's what gave me the idea to add the tabs on the others. So hope you enjoyed that. Hope you enjoyed Junetober. Here we go. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.